Every day, millions of people struggle to navigate complex spaces. Traditional maps fall short. Generic GPS doesn't work indoors. And when accessibility matters most, standard solutions simply aren't enough. Whether it's a family searching for their loved one's memorial, a wheelchair user needing accessible routes, or thousands of visitors navigating Australia's largest events, people need intelligent wayfinding that adapts to their specific needs. This is where custom maps make the difference. Unlike standard mapping solutions, custom maps are designed specifically for your venue, your visitors, and your unique requirements. They provide detailed, meaningful information that generic maps simply cannot deliver. But static maps are just the beginning. Our AI-powered wayfinding intelligence creates personalized navigation experiences, wheelchair-friendly routes for accessibility, gentle paths for elderly visitors, dedicated bike lanes for cyclists, even specialized routes for pet shows, guiding visitors and their animals safely through exhibitions. From universities connecting students across sprawling campuses, to indoor venues guiding patients through complex hospital systems, to factories ensuring safe navigation through industrial spaces, and massive outdoor events managing thousands of visitors. Intelligent wayfinding transforms every experience. And when things change, construction closures, event schedule updates, emergency situations, our platform delivers real-time content updates across every touchpoint instantly. No reprinting, no manual updates, just immediate, accurate information. Take our work with InvoCare Group. We mapped 15 memorial parks across New South Wales and Queensland using advanced drone technology. When satellite imagery was 5 years outdated, our precision aerial photography created accurate, meaningful maps that help families find their loved ones with dignity and ease. At Sydney's Royal Easter Show, the Southern Hemisphere's largest family event, 500,000 visitors rely on our custom wayfinding annually. 8 years of partnership delivering real-time navigation, personalized itinerary planning, and location-based notifications that enhance every family's experience. At Melbourne Royal Show, our platform processed thousands of map interactions with tens of thousands of wayfinding requests during just 12 days. Proving that intelligent navigation doesn't just guide visitors, it transforms entire event experiences. When standard maps aren't enough, when accessibility matters, when user experience defines success, Mobiddiction creates intelligent wayfinding solutions that guide, inform, and inspire. Ready to transform how people navigate your world?